In today's video, I'll show you settings that will boost your Windows 11 performance by a lot. So if you're using Windows 11 and if you're facing any lag or performance issue, this settings trick will help you. So for this, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for View Advanced System Settings. Then just open View Advanced System Settings from the best match. After that, you'll be introduced with this window. Just go to the Advanced tab. From here, you just go to the Performance, which says Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Just click on Settings from here. Then from here, make sure you're on the Visual Effects tab, and it will ask you to select the settings you want to use for appearance, performance of this Windows computer. From here, just select Adjust for Best Performance. And as you can see, it disables everything from here. This makes sure the animations doesn't slow your Windows down. It prioritizes your performance and makes sure the appearance doesn't slow you down. So just select Adjust for Best Performance, click on Apply, click on OK. Click on Apply and click on OK over here as well. Then just go ahead and restart your computer, and after changing the settings, you'll find out that your Windows 11 has been significantly faster now. And basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.